Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the Realme PowerBank 2. So Realme had announced these power banks last year. That was the Realme PowerBank version 1. Now we have the 10,000 mAh capacity Realme PowerBank 2. So we're going to do a quick unboxing. We'll show you what all the features it comes. So you can see the back of the box mentions the 18 watt charge. The quick charge is available for multiple devices, and low current mode for IoT devices. Type C input and output, that's quite good because you can charge with Type C, and there is also output for Type C. 12 layers of circuit protection is included, dual output simultaneously, high density lithium polymer batteries included. So this is the Realme PowerBank. It's priced at 999. Also the box mentions 1299 rupees. So this comes in different colors. We have the yellow variant with us. So let's just open the box and then we'll show you the contents. So there you go. So that's the Realme PowerBank 2. Just taking this out. So you can see that the material finishing looks really good. It's a matte finish like the previous version. You can see the Realme branding here, and it looks really good. Now next, let's have a look at the ports available. So here you can see the ports. So we have the button here to know the charge. There are 4 LEDs, 25% for each LED. So that's the port. Now we have a USB Type C port. Again, you can see the color here. Now the USB Type C port is a dual port. That means you can use this for discharging as well as charging. That's something really good. Then we have the USB Type A port for discharging. So charging is via USB Type C, and you can also discharge, that means charge another smartphone using the USB Type C port. Both supports fast charging if you are using for charging another smartphone. You can also see the 10,000 mAh mentioned here, and the build quality looks really good. It's a solid build. It's a kind of lightweight design. It's not a metal design, so that means the weight has been reduced. It's a kind of plastic design. So that's the Realme PowerBank. Now you can also see there is a manual included. Everything mentioned here. Input is 5 volt 2 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere. That's 18 watt input is supported. 18 watt fast charging is supported for charging the power bank. Now output double interface, 5 volt 2 ampere, that's total, and output single interface is 5 volt 3 ampere, 15 watt maximum, or you can have 9 volt 2 ampere. If you are using double interface, maximum could be like 15 watt. That means 5 volt 3.1 ampere is maximum available if you are using double interface. Single interface 9 volt 2 ampere, that's 18 watt is supported. So that's the technical specifications of the power bank. So 10,000 mAh is the power bank, and that's it. Then you also get a cable here. So this is a pretty good cable. In fact, this is a dual cable. You can use for charging micro USB phones as well, and you can use for USB Type C phones as well. So that's the double cable included. So that's all inside the box. So let's just charge this with the power bank. So we have the Realme 6 with us. So we'll just charge this Realme 6, and we'll just show you. So it has the USB Type C port. There you go. So now we are just charging this. So there you go, it works. So it is charging at 18 watt charging. So you can see the charging mentioned. It's not a VOOC charging. The maximum supported is 18 watt. So it's not VOOC charging. VOOC is like 20 watt. So you get fast charging here. Now let's try this on Redmi Note 9 Pro, which has 18 watt charging. So we have the Redmi Note 9 Pro as well. So let's see here. So here you can see that there is a quick charge. So this supports 18 watts. So it is ideally suited for 18 watt charger. So you can see here now it's quick charging. So that's the charging on the Redmi Note 9 Pro with 18 watt charging. So this is the power bank announced by Realme in India. So it looks pretty good. It's an 18 watt charger, and the pricing is also quite good at 999. So that was unboxing and hands-on. Now you can get this on Flipkart as well as Realme's website for 999, available in different colors as well. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.